Well, it's great to see you, ma'am. So how long have you all been homeschooling?
My oldest is 19 and we've always homeschooled. So
Okay. So for a
that
while.
long. Yeah.
That's great. And how many practicums have you attended, ma'am?
I don't know. I've been to, I stopped counting. I speak, I train, I do camps. So I've been to many, many practicum over the course of 9 years.
Got it. Okay. Wow, that's awesome. How many student camps have your children attended?
A lot of student camps. I can't even begin to say how many as well because they've also attended, but they've also helped at camps and
Oh,
volunteered
okay.
because they're right now they're 19, 18, and 16.
Oh, wow. So they all help out?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's great, ma'am. So what has been your um so you've been a truckload of practicums, like why? What's the benefit, or why would you recommend somebody attend practicums?
Um, well, you're going to get your training if you're a director or a tutor or something like that.
Okay.
But also, I think it's also just for the sake of developing community. And that's why I do so many is to support my community, support communities around me. I'm sorry, I'm distracted by how yellow I look. But like I'm not a yellow person. I'm not a purple loofah. But so I'm going to go somewhere else. But I think just all the different things that you can learn at the practicum and all the people you can meet, because that doesn't help. It's it's just relationship development. It's helping, and I guess that ministry mindset that my family has is one of helping other people. And of course, for me, with my children being older, that gives me a lot more freedom to go to more practicum and really help out that way than it does for people who are younger. If my kids were that young, I wouldn't have been, hopping around from practicum to practicum all summer unless that was something that was really good for my family. Because for some families, they just that would work for them. But I guess I'm trying not to put that burden on other people that like they should go to lots of practicum when their kids are young. But
Right,
they should go
sure.
to one practicum would be really great, or a couple. But yeah, when your kids are older, though, the blessing is just what they're learning skills by leading and by helping and by participating. So whether they're running tech, working in the bookstore, helping with snacks, running a camp, or assisting in a camp, or running the recess time, they're developing relationships with peers. They're developing relationships with potential mentors in their life. And they're also just developing those leadership skills. And that has been a huge benefit. And besides, if really all you want to do is use something for like a resume, it gives you something for your resume. And your college application, those things matter. It looks pretty impressive when you've been a camp counselor for a Latin camp and science camp and things like that when you're applying to college.
That's a great point. I would have never even thought about that. That's an excellent point.